Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about what kind of girl do you love. When you practice this conversation, you can improve your English listening and speaking with simple words and short sentences. So, let's get started.
Hi, Tom. You look happy today.
Yes, I feel good. Can I tell you something?
Sure, Tom. What is it?
I want to share what kind of girl I love.
Oh, really? Tell me. I want to know.
First, I love a girl who is pretty.
Pretty? Do you mean only face?
Not only face, pretty means she looks clean, dresses well, and smiles kindly.
Ah, I see. A pretty smile is important.
Yes. Second, I love a girl who is faithful.
Faithful?
Faithful means she is honest, she trusts me, and she doesn't lie.
That's a very good quality.
Third, I love a girl who can cook.
Cook? Are you hungry now?
Maybe, but cooking is important. A girl who cooks can care for family and also stay healthy.
Yes. Food makes people happy.
Fourth, I love a girl who loves me back.
Oh, that's sweet. What do you mean?
It means if I care for her, she also cares for me. If I respect her, she also respects me.
Yes. Love should be two ways.
Fifth, I love a girl who studies hard.
Wow, I like that one.
If she studies hard, she has knowledge, then we can learn together, talk together, and grow together.
That's true. Studying makes a person strong inside.
And the last, I love a girl who is polite.
Polite in words and actions, right?
Exactly. She says thank you, sorry, and speaks kindly to others.
That is very nice. So, can you tell me who she is?
She is a person like I told you.
But who? I want to know her name. Do I know her?
Sure, you really know her. Her name is Jenny.
What? Her name is like my name.
Yeah, she is you. You are the one who I just described.
What? You mean... Oh, I think
Jenny, I love you. You're pretty. You're all kind of I like.
I don't know. I don't know my feeling now, Tom. I am so surprised.
Wow, it's so amazing. Do you learn from this video? What kind of girl do you love? Tell me in comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting video.